In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a project in Canva. If you want to try a new design direction, create several versions for a client, or simply keep a safe backup of your original work, duplicating a Canva project is one of the easiest ways to do it. Instead of rebuilding the same design from scratch or risking changes to your main file, you can make a clean copy and edit freely while keeping the original untouched. To get started, make sure you're looking at your Canva account home area rather than working inside an open design. If you're currently editing a file, go to the top left area of the screen and click Home. This takes you back to your main Canva dashboard. From there, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Projects. This is where Canva stores your saved designs, folders, and other creative assets, so it's the best place to manage existing work before making a duplicate. Once you're inside projects, take a moment to find the design you want to copy. You can scroll through your recent files if it's easy to spot, or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate it by title. When you find the correct project, move your cursor over its thumbnail. In the top right corner of that project card, you'll see the three dots icon. Click that to open the options menu for that specific design. Now look through the menu until you find the option labeled Make a Copy. Click it once. Canva will immediately begin creating a separate duplicate of your design. This happens automatically, so there's nothing else you need to configure during this part. The important thing to understand is that this copy becomes its own independent file, which means changes made to it won't affect the original project. After a brief moment, the duplicate will appear in your project's area. In most cases, it shows up near the original file and is usually labeled as copy of followed by the original project title. This naming makes it easy to identify which file is the original and which one is the duplicate. To finish, open the copied project by double-clicking its thumbnail. Once the design loads, click the title area at the top of the screen and rename it to something more useful, like a second draft or alternate version. This is a helpful habit because it keeps your workspace organized, especially if you plan to create multiple variations. At this point, you're ready to edit the duplicated project however you like. You can change text, swap graphics, test layouts, or completely redesign it, all while knowing your original Canva project remains safely unchanged. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.